and gentlemen, today I have chicken leg and also some ingredient of it. Today we will tell you guys about how to make chicken leg pickle if we want. So this is some ingredient of it. Mean cassava, mean chili, mean lemon, and also kalanga. It have garlic too if we want. So if you want to know clear about how to make it, please continue to watch my video. And especially if you think that my channel have necessary to you, please help me to subscribe my channel to see more video about yummy food like this, and also about the rural of life, especially the countryside lifestyle like this everyone. So let me start to make it. Pour water. Then we add kitchen leg on it to boil it if we want. We boil it first, and then when it's already cooked, we take it to much ingredient outside. But now we boil it first. Ladies and gentlemen, so now while we are waiting our kitchen leg to be already cooked, escape, don't waste time. So now we make some ingredient of it. We cut for lamb. We cut like this if we want. Then this garlic, we cut lemongrass. We cut kalanga like this. Then chili, lemon, Wow, our chicken leg so good. So now it's already cooked, so we take it. We do like this on chicken feet, too easy to make ingredient of it. Everyone, we do like this, too easy to make ingredient. So now we start to make. First we put casper lamb like this, and then garlic, lemongrass, kalanka, chili, then we add lemon on it like this. It's not yet at all ingredients, so we continue to add. Sugar palm, soup salt. This is soup salt. Oyster sauce. Add some cheese. Fish sauce. So now we start to mix. We mix it to be well. So now I add more some chili. Wow, it looks like so yummy. So now it's the time to eat and the time to taste and tell you guys about it taste too. So I taste it. It's very and very good. Wow. The best. Why it's so yummy like this? This one is full of chili, so we eat this. It's really hot. Wow. The pasta is really yummy. Good. If you want to do it by follow my video from the start until the end of my video, it's really easy to cook. And all of some ingredients of it are we have it in kitchen if we want, so it's easy to cook. Oh, it's really spicy because of it's full of chili, everyone. So now, let me say goodbye everyone, but before I say goodbye altogether, please help me to subscribe my channel if you think it is necessary for you everyone. So now, let me say goodbye everyone. Thank you for your support me by subscribe. Thank you.